Hey kids, today let's learn a very interesting story from Unit 6. The title of the story is The Story of the Road. This story is written by the Indian writer Poile Sen Gupta. Poile Sen Gupta was born in the year 1948 and she is a notable Indian writer in English. She is well known as a playwright and writer for children. Children, I am sure after listening the title of the story, your interest is piqued. You're curious to find out what story the road has to narrate. So without much ado, let's get started.
It is early morning. The road is asleep. Everything is quiet. Here we understand how the road is asleep early in the morning. As the surroundings are quiet, the road enjoys a peaceful sleep. But soon things change for the road. But listen, the birds are calling softly. Chirrup, 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 say the sparrows. Chirrup, chirrup, chirrup. Caw, 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 says the crow. Caw, caw, caw. Wake up, wake up. Here we learn how the peaceful sleep enjoyed by the road is disturbed by the sparrows and the crows. The sparrows keep crying, chirrup, 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 and the crows start cawing, asking the road to wake up. Now here comes someone. Here is someone else now. Tringeling, tringeling. It's the newspaper boy. Tringeling, tringeling, says his bicycle. Tringeling, wake up. Chirrup, 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 say the sparrows. Chirrup, chirrup. Caw, caw, says the crow. Wake up. Now here is a third sound that makes the road wake up. It is the sound of the bicycle of the newspaper boy. It makes the sound tringeling, tringeling and forces the road to wake up. And along with the bicycle, the sparrows chirrup and the crow keeps cawing. Now here comes someone else who tries to wake the road up. Who is this coming now? It is the vegetable man. Peas, cauliflowers, cabbages, says the vegetable man. Potatoes, cucumbers, radishes, carrots. Caw, says the crow. Wake up. Chirrup, chirrup, says the sparrows. Apart from the sparrows, the crow, and the bicycle with its stringling sound, there comes someone who tries to wake up the road. And it is none other than the vegetable man who calls out to his customers. Peas, cauliflowers, cabbages, potatoes, cucumbers, radishes, carrots. He calls out the names of the vegetables that he has on his cart aloud. And this sound wakes the road up. Along with the vegetable man, the crow continues cawing and the sparrows chirrup. After the vegetable man, the street is filled with some other sound. Tramp, 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 tramp. Chatter, 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 chatter. Who are these? They are children going to school. Chatter, 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 talk the school children. Tramp, 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 goes their shoes. Peas, carrots, cabbages, calls the vegetable man. Now, there are children on the road who are on their way to school. Their energetic feet tramp hard on the road and make noise. At the same time, they keep chattering non-stop. So the road feels that the school children also want it to wake up. Amidst the chattering of the children, you can also hear the cries of the vegetable man who calls out his vegetables on the cart. Chirrup, 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 say the sparrows. Caw, caw, says the crow, wake up. Caw, 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 says the crow. Caw, caw, wake up. Wake up, asks the road. Can't you see, you foolish bird? I am wide awake. Here we understand that the crow is quite persistent in waking up the road, so it keeps cawing continuously. But this annoys the road, so the road gets very angry and calls the crow a foolish bird, and it sternly suggests the crow to stop cawing because it is already wide awake. In this lesson, the road is an inanimate thing and it is personified by the writer. Here ends this beautiful lesson, children. I hope you enjoyed the story of the road. Now let's discuss the new words. The new words here are newspaper, cabbages, cucumbers, potatoes, and radish. Except for the first one, the rest all are vegetables, which you all consume regularly. Now moving to the question and answers. There are 3 questions from the lesson included in this section. Reading is fun. The first question is, what sounds do you hear on the road in the morning? The answer for this question is, in the morning, we hear the sounds of the birds, vegetable man, newspaper boys cycle, and the chatter of school children, among other sounds. Moving on to the second question, what is the vegetable man selling? Here, the answer is, the vegetable man is selling peas, cauliflower, cabbage, carrot, radish, cucumber, and potatoes. And the third question is, why is the road annoyed with the crow? For this, we can write, the road is annoyed with the crow as the crow keeps cawing to awaken the road, even when it is wide awake. This is all I have for you in this session, children. Thank you for joining me.